Dodge Challenger wearing 1969 Chevrolet Camaro body kit is a confusing mess. There are tons of classic Chevy Camaro models up for grabs on the internet, but this one stands out for all the wrong reasons. Listed with Mecum Auctions, this Camaro is actually a modern Dodge Challenger underneath, giving us one of the most confusing builds we've seen so far and one that goes against the classic muscle rivalry between Detroit's Big Three. Using replica body components of a 1969 Chevy Camaro, the build gave the Challenger an old-school look from its rival. It also has a beefier stance with the newer muscle car's original driveline and chassis underpinnings retained. As you can see below, a classic Camaro-style grille is installed on the modern Challenger. The grille is flanked by round headlights, replacing the original quad headlight design. Over to the side, the straight character line from the original Camaro is also adopted on this build. The 6-inch wide body package and a massive cowl hood give the car its aggressive appearance. Other exterior bits include a custom gray wrap, updated fog lights, blacked-out 5-spoke wheels, a custom exhaust system with Dynamax mufflers, and a Wickerbill-style rear wing. It's certainly a unique build, and we can't help but admire how the Camaro body enhanced the classic muscle car appeal of the newer Challenger. Despite being confusing, at least for us, the Challenger's retro styling works with the body kits. Thankfully, Dodge's penchant for a retro design will continue with the all-electric Charger Daytona, expected to come out next year. As mentioned, the original drivetrain components are retained, specifically the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, good for 375 horsepower and 410 ft-lb of torque. This is then connected to an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission with manual mode. It is also equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS and traction control. No interior shots were shared. But based on the listing on Mecum Auctions, the cabin is installed with black bucket seats with a heating function, power windows and locks, and front airbags. This Camaro-inspired Dodge Challenger will cross the auction block at the K. Bailey Hutchison Convention Center in Dallas, Texas, from September 20th to 23rd, 2023.